So I'm just bringing my foam board in. Just bringing my foam board in. I think I'm gonna be able to. Be able to put it in by myself. I just need to make sure it is. I think I'm going to be able to put it in by myself. Let me sweep it off and I'll be back. See, I might have to I think I'm gonna have to move this one over a little bit more. I think oh, this could definitely go forward some more, so that's not straight. And one thing about it is I love those pins because you can pull it down, so it's not straight. I mean, it's not back far enough back here for my liking. I want it to be far back. Let's get it down without breaking it. I think I'm probably gonna need another person because this right here comes out a little. I don't know where my cousin, when he say he close by, that means he's far, far, far away. Oh, when he say he about to come, that means he gonna be here in 2 hours. want to try to, this one is, see, there's nothing square about the van. This is closer, but this right here, oh, okay, I got it. I just cut my hand again. You have to be careful because you don't know where one of the pins is going to come out. But that gives it a full vapor barrier. Okay. And now, I poked myself a couple of times. So now I got to try and let me push it up there. Hopefully it catches to that tape I had up there. So now I got to see if I could drill a hole in those little things I have and stick them on there and bend it over. So we're gonna see if that works. So I got these, they're just little thin sheet metal things. Let me see if I can drill a hole in them. I need something to put it on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. So smart. I'm so smart. I'm so excited. I'm so smart. That way it keeps too from puncturing the insulation. let me get some more and drill some holes in them. I don't know what I did with my hammer, but I think a hammer too will put a hole in there really easy. Let me see, where's my hammer? There it is. Let's see. If a hammer will do the trick really easy. I need a nail instead of a screw. Yep. There you have it. Yep. That girl is smart. Oh, this girl needs to be an inventor over here, because, yeah, I got the spirit of an inventor. Let me bring my camera over here. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you my solution to my problem. I ordered these things off of Amazon. I paid $35 for them. They're supposed to come with a clip that will tighten them up to whatever you're putting it on, and then you could just fold the end. But the clip, they did not provide it with it. So I went to Home Depot and I bought these. This is a little box of 10 caps, and I bought those. So I need to put a little hole in the middle. You could use a nail. All I can find right now is a screw. Put a hole in the middle. And you got your hole. And let me show you what I did. So you take your hole and stick it through the little pin up here. You see I have a lot of them. And then you just fold it over, and that way you're not puncturing your installation, and it helps to give a tighter fit, because you can take your pliers and like make it tighter. So this is my solution to a problem, an Amazon malfunction shipping order problem. This girl over here is smart, y'all, so I just need to do that like 100 more times. Okay, y'all, let me get busy.